Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the slow motion. So as you can see, we have the mode only to record this kind of video. We can do it here by using this big red button. We can also go to the right corner here to change the speed of the slow motion. So by just one tap we can manage this. We can pick from 120 FPS or 240 FPS. Now let's stay on this one and let me start recording to show you how it works. Now stop by tapping again on this button, and let's move to the left corner at the bottom. So here by tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery and we can see our slow motion video. So this is how it looks like at this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.